Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find muted users on Instagram feeds, easy and quick. If you want to find it, all you have to do first open Instagram feeds. Now once you're here, just go to your profile and then click these two lines here in the top corner, and after that hit on privacy, and now you will find this option muted. Click on it, and as you see, now you can find all the muted users here, and you can unmute any user that you want to unmute, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And that's it for today's video, and see you in the next video.